Hello, children. I welcome you all to your English grammar session. This is class 4, and today we are going to start with a fresh topic that is conjunctions. Children, before we start the class, I want to ask you if you are taking care of yourself and keeping indoors and not going out much. I hope you are following all the protocols, children. This is a very tough time we are facing, and I hope you all are keeping safe and trying to stay healthy at homes. Okay, children, now today we will start with this topic conjunctions. And like I always had told you, and the other teachers had already told you, that this is not that we are starting for the first time, and you people must be familiar with this topic, conjunctions. You must have read it in your class 3. And so today we are going to just revise few concepts about some conjunctions. All right, so let's just get started. So let us find out, first of all, what are conjunctions. All right, first we need to know what the conjunctions really mean. Okay, so the words that are used to join words or sentences together are called as conjunctions. Children, if you look at the word conjunctions, it has a word junction in it. And what does junction mean? The meeting point. Okay, and junction means meeting point. And so here, conjunctions in grammar, we use it as joining word. Okay, it not only joins the words, but it also joins two sentences. Okay, now we will come to the examples. Let us understand it better than examples. So I bought cups and saucers. Arun is poor but honest. Was the girl fat or thin? My teacher was angry because I came late. Children, here there are 4 conjunctions used. As you can see in each sentence, the word that is highlighted is a conjunction, is a joining word. It is joining something or the other. Now, let us take a look more closely. Here we have uses of conjunctions. Now, what are the uses of conjunctions? Let us just know that. First, we use the word and to join a noun or a pronoun or two short sentences. Like I just told you, right? That the conjunction, it is used to join words and sentences. All right. So we have the first example here, like I had in the first page, right? So we are repeating the same examples here. I bought cups and saucers. Here, the conjunction and is used to join two nouns. Now, as you can go by the rule, the first use you have here, we use the word and to join a noun or a pronoun. Here, we are joining two nouns together. Okay, what are these two nouns here? Cups and saucers. They are things. Okay, what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So here we have joined cups and saucers using the conjunction and. Okay, that's how we put it into use here. Next use, let's take a look. We use but to join contrasting words or sentences. Children, contrast means opposite. All right, now we use but, the conjunction but in that case. Let's take a look at the example. Arun is poor but honest. So here poor and honest are joined with the help of the conjunction but, right? Children, but here is joining two contrasting words together. What are those contrasting words? The opposite ideas. What are those? Poor and honest. Okay, so we join these two contrasting words with the help of the conjunction but. Okay, let's come to the next one. We use or whenever there is a choice. Now, another conjunction we have is or, like we had in the third example in the first page. So, example 3, we have was the girl fat or thin? So, when do we use this conjunction or? We use this conjunction when there is a choice. Okay, when we are presented with a choice, we use a conjunction or. All right. So, here the conjunction or is used to make a choice between fat or thin, right? So we need to decide whether the girl was fat or the girl was thin. All right. Then we come to the fourth example. We come to the fourth use. We use because when the second part of the sentence gives a reason, right? So here it is stated that we use this conjunction because when the second part of the sentence, after you use this conjunction because, the second part of the sentence states the reason, gives the reason. For example, my teacher was angry because I came late. So, what is the reason here? I came late. Okay, so wherever you see there is a reason given, there we use this conjunction because. Okay, as per the rule, here the conjunction because is used to state a reason for the teacher being angry. Why was the teacher angry? Why did the teacher get angry? She got angry because I came late, right? Okay, so come to the last part of this page, that is, we note that the words and, but, or, and, because are joining words. They either join words or sentences together. Children, here we have seen how they join the words. Okay, we have seen the conjunctions joining words, right? So now we will come to know how it actually joins the sentences. Okay, here we have joining sentences, and how can a conjunction join two sentences together? Let us take a look. Here we have using and. First, we will go one by one all the four conjunctions that we had studied until now in this topic. We will take first one. The first one is and. So let us see how we can join two sentences using and. Okay. I shall come to your home. First sentence, full stop. I shall ring you up. Second sentence. So we have got two sentences here, children. Now, well, we need to know how we can join these two sentences using and. I shall come to your home and ring you up. You need not repeat I shall, okay? Because the doer is the same in the first sentence as well as in the second sentence. So we will not repeat that. Okay. Rather, we will join these two sentences using the conjunction and. Okay. Since the doer is only one, the same doer, I shall come to your home, and the same person is going to ring you up. So there is no use to repeat and I shall again. Simple, I shall come to your home and ring you up, right? Then we come to using but. Another conjunction we have is but. Okay, the but. Now the dress is cheap, full stop, the dress is pretty. Hmm. Children, I had told you that this conjunction but, it helps in joining two contrasting words, right? Cheap, pretty. And and they are talking about the same dress. So the dress is cheap, but it is pretty. So we can also write it the way the dress is cheap but pretty. Okay, that will also be correct, right? The children, here we had used but and we had joined two sentences. Okay, you need to understand, you need to know what is the common thing in these two sentences. So we will not repeat those common things again and again. Okay, all right. Now we come to using or. Do you want tea? Do you want coffee? So the question is being asked to only one person. Okay, so that is common here. So what are we going to do? Do you want tea or coffee? We do not ask again and again, do you want tea? Do you want coffee? No, that sounds a little odd. Okay, so now, do you want tea or coffee? Children, it is pretty clear how we use this because we are asking for a choice to make the other person a choice. Okay, you need to choose between tea or coffee. Okay, so that is how we use this conjunction or. Okay, for joining, sorry, two sentences together. Then we come to using because. All right, she stands first in the class, full stop. She works hard. Okay, so there is a reason here, children. I told you because we just studied a little uh, time ago. And what is that? Because is used when it states the reason, okay, in the second part of the sentence. After you use the word, the conjunction because, and then the reason is stated. And there we need to use this conjunction. All right. So she stands first in the class. Why? The reason being is that she works hard. That's why she stands first in the class. Okay, so now we are clear with how we can join these two sentences using because, or, and, but, right? I just told you some of them. So just take a look closely, children. You've got reasons here, you've got concepts here for these particular conjunctions that I have just told you. Now we come to the end of this session and we have got some practice questions here, children, and you need to practice. Until and unless you do the practice, we don't know whether you have understood the concept or not. So, children, here I have given you a question. Fill in the blanks with and, but, or because. Okay, so here there are 5 sentences given. I'll read it out for you, sorry. Right, so Shreya gave me a pen dash a pencil. What will come? You decide what would come between and, but, or because. You have to choose it and fill it. Okay. The baby is crying dash he is hungry. You should finish your classwork dash you will be punished. Cats can climb trees dash dogs cannot. I did not come dash you did not invite me. Okay. So that are your 5 questions, 5 sentences that you need to do. And children, I hope you are maintaining your rough notebooks, whatever is being taught in the classes here. People are noting them down. I hope you are. And yes, do not forget to mention your attendance, children. It is very important. We are marking your attendance. Some children, they do uh, watch the video, but then they do not mark their attendance, which is not right. So in that case, we won't be able to mark your attendance. Children, please do that and just take these questions, whatever is here in front of you, and you have all the videos on the YouTube, so you can just pause it and write it down and solve it. Okay? All right, children. So I'll see you then in the next class. Until then, please revise the topics, and yes, you need to be healthy and happy. Okay, so I'll see you then, children. Take care. Goodbye.